Ladies and gentlemen, starting a manufacturing business needs greatest determinations and confidence. But you have to be very clear about your business idea before you step into the entrepreneurial journey. Today in this video, I want to share with you 5 small scale manufacturing business for high profits in 2020. Number 5. Making wooden toys. This is an example of profitable business that requires creativity and talent. The business won't require you to invest a lot of money. The high demand will help you to make huge profit within a short period. Number 4. School bag making business. The number of school going children is always growing. This means that the demand for school bags will keep growing too. Launching the school bag making business shouldn't be too complicated. You won't invest a lot of money in your launching the small size manufacturing business. This means that it should be reasonable for you. Number 3. Disposable plates and cups. Disposable food grade plates and cups are used widely in any country during events, functions and picnics. They are also used on large scale by street salespersons and hawkers. As they are widely used and have been low cost to make for a long time, the market has matured. They are usually made of paper, which has developed as an alternative to plastic, steel and glass. The major part of investment goes into buying the plate making machines. Number 2. Cement brick manufacturing business. This is another good business idea. You can start with low investment. If you produce high quality cement bricks and put effort into advertising, you should generate a good profit from your business. You can launch your cement brick making business in your garage or in a small space. While your business grows, you can move to bigger locations. The cement bricks demand never falters. The product is generally used in buildings, all types of structure. Therefore, as long as building continues, the demand for your product will keep growing. Number 1. Bamboo products making business. Bamboo products are environment friendly, but you require creativity to create them. If you start your bamboo products making business, you can distribute your products to both the export and domestic markets. You can make your high quality products to high-end markets. The high-end market which allow you to make you a huge profit include residential houses, restaurants and hotels. To get new and more customers, you can promote your business by using social media. Is there anything else you'd like to know more about and which was included in this video? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll be glad if you like the video and give me some ideas on how I can improve my videos. And don't forget to subscribe.